Guys, here's a BeGe scraper. It's like 82 inches wide, this tank here right here. You can see here how it operates. You got the big cylinder that pushes it. Okay, this had 2 cylinders rebuilt. They were put on it, but it still got like 3 leaks. And we folded it up and it wouldn't unfold again. So you're going to need to do a little cylinder work or hose work. But here's a nice big scraper now. And it goes back, I think it goes back to here, folds back into here, I think, of that big cylinder. So it should be like 72 inches. This is the way I'm guessing. By 82, it's several yards scraper. It's I'm gonna sell it as is because the cylinders, there's a cylinder or 2 leaking and a hose, and this has got some weld on it, guys. It's welded here, non-factory weld here, down here. I don't know as I can, right here. I mean, I don't see anymore. If we miss it, well, it's just because we didn't see it. It's got a hitch in the back. If you want to hook another one to it, right here. I think that's a hitch or a bumper. This cylinder right here, this cylinder runs out of here and pushes that tank forward to rearward. Nice big scraper now. We can load it for you, no problem unloading it. It's like 8 foot 5.5 inches total width, best we can tell. That's these arms right here. So you should be able to legally haul it. The total length down the tongue is about 23 or 4 foot total length long, looks like.